Hello icons! You all have been learning different elements of grammar since a few days and you have been learning how to use them in your sentences, right? Today, let's talk about some words. Words which you already know. Think. Try to guess them. Are you thinking? Are you thinking like, what are they? When did I learn these words? Who taught me? Which words are those? Why am I not able to guess? Yes, the words are in the questions itself that you might have thought about. What, when, who, which, why. Yes, we are going to talk about question words today. Question words are the words which help us ask something. And these question words help us frame questions. You know this, right? Now, let's understand the function of each question word and understand when they are used. First, let's talk about question words which start with letters WH, like what, when, who, whom, whose, why, where, which. All these question words start with letters WH, right? So let's get started and understand their usage. Let's start with question word what. Question word what is used when we want to know about something. Okay, this word is used to find out about something. Let's see examples. Like, what is your favorite color? What are you doing? Okay, so question word what is used to get some information from others. Okay, now let's talk about question word when. Question word when is used to ask about the time of an activity or an event that is going to happen or has happened. Okay, let's see with examples. When did this program happen? When will she come? So it refers to time. Okay, question word when refers to time of an activity or an event. Let's talk about next question word. Question word who. Who is used to ask about a person or persons. Okay. Who is she? Who is crying this loud? Okay. So question word here is asking about or refers to a person. Similarly, the words whom and whose too. Okay, whom, question word whom is used to ask questions which refers to a person, and whose is used to ask questions to know who owns something. Let's see with examples. Whom are you calling? So this whom is a person. Okay, whose book is this? Okay, so you want to know who owns that book and whose book it is. Next question word. Let's see about question word why. Question word why is used to ask or know the reason behind something. Let's see examples. Why are there so many people? Why did you leave so early? Okay, so if we want to know the reason behind something, we use question word why. Let's go to next question word. Where. Question word where is used to ask or know about the position or a place of a noun. Like, where do you live? Where are these children going? So where is used to ask or know about position of a noun. Next question word. Question word which. Which is used to ask about the choice or an option. Let's see examples. Which fruit do you like? Which is the biggest continent? Okay, now let's talk about another question word. Question word how. Question word how is used differently in different contexts. Okay, let's see each context with examples. So how is used when we want to know about a procedure or a method. Like, how did you do that? So if we want to know like what's the procedure behind it, we start with question word how. Now let's see another example. Question word how is used to ask about quantity which is countable. Example, how old are you? So your age is countable, right? When I want to know your age, or if somebody wants to know your age or some person's age, we ask you how old are you? Or if I want to know how many pencils or pens do you have, I ask how many pencils do you have? And your pencils and pens are countable, right? So when we want to find out about a quantity which is countable, we start with question word how. Then question word how is also used to ask about quantity which can be uncountable. Like, how much do you want? So this much, we don't know whether it is countable or uncountable. Okay. Then question word how is also used to ask about distance, time or space. Like, how long did you walk? So how long did you walk means for how much time did you walk? How far is this place? So it's about distance here. Okay. How is also used to ask about height. Example, how tall are you? So if I want to know your height, I would ask like, how tall are you? Right? So this was about usage of some question words. You will be learning about some more question words in the next class. So icons, let's start using question words to frame questions. So we have learned these question words and we can use these now to make questions. But do not forget to put a question mark at the end of a question after you frame. Okay? Now let's move on to your learning engagement. So your class task is to do exercise 2 given on page 97 from your grammar book. So 2 questions are done for you. So rest of them will be discussed in the class. Then your home task is to do exercise 1 on page 96 given in grammar book. Okay? I hope you have understood and you would find it easy to do. That's all for today, cons. Let's meet in the next class. Bye.